try another one. 5 natural log of x dx. So we need to pick a u and a dv. U is something that's easy to differentiate. dv is something that's easy to integrate. Here's the deal. If you have a natural log involved, you typically pick that part to be your u. Okay? That's one of them there tips. Now, as far as the 5 is concerned, yeah, we can pull that 5 in front of the integral, but we can put it with our u as well. So we're going to pick u to be the 5 natural log of x. And so what's left over for dv? dx. So let's make our chart. So I want you to fill in the remaining diagonals of the chart. Remember, you're going to find du by using what operation? Apodectomy. Let's see. What's the one that older guys have to go to? Rubber gloves and prostate exam or differentiation? Differentiation. All I could think about was rubber gloves and uncomfortableness. So if you would, please find the derivative of u. We'll start there. We won't do the dv part. Does anyone have a guess of what the derivative of 5 natural log of x is? Well, what happens to the 5? Leave it alone, because it's a constant times a function. So what's the derivative of natural log of x? Huh? 1 over x. So 5 times 1 over x is? 5 over x. Oh, Mike, yes. Stop doing that. Okay. So 5 over x dx. Remember that guy? Hooray. And then what is the antiderivative of, this is technically 1. What's the antiderivative of 1 with respect to v? v. What is the antiderivative of 1 with respect to x? x. Pick your u as something easy to differentiate. Pick your dv as something easy to integrate. There we go. I used my commercial voice. So the antiderivative of 1 with respect to v is v. Because you remember what you would do is you would do the 1 over 0 plus 1, v to the 0 plus 1. And you do the same thing, but it's just an x. So the integral of u dv is equal to u. What's u? Times v. What's v? Minus the integral of v, which is x, du, which is 5 over x dx. There's technically a product right here as well. Okay, let's clean this up before we integrate. The first term, 5 natural log of x times x, that is not x squared here because you're taking the natural log of that first x. I'd prefer, if you wanted to rewrite it, you put the x in front of the natural log. Hey, it's a natural log sandwich now. That's nice. Minus, for that integrand, what is x times 5 over x? 5. So one of the points of integration by parts is to make a prettier integrand. So 5 is crazy pretty now. Yay. What is the antiderivative of 5 with respect to x? Huh? 5x. Partially Yanovision. And then plus c. It's cute. Oh, I need a circle on that.